So welcome to this React full stack course. My name is Fernando and I will guide you through this course. Now this course is for almost everyone. You need to know a little bit of CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. Everything else, we will learn it right here. So we are going to learn everything in steps. First, we will learn React from top to bottom. And I'm talking about classes, functions, props, events, you name it. We are going to put in a lot of work right here because having a solid React foundation, it's very important. Then, of course, since we know React so well, we are going to talk about Redux and how to manage the state of the application. And once we know all of this, we are going to create two tiny applications just so we can practice everything we've learned. So then, since we know how to create a client, we need to learn how to create a server. So we're going to go and talk about Node, and we're going to learn how Node works behind the scenes and what Node is, essentially. And of course, we will need our server, so we're going to bring Express and create our own server. Now, of course, we need databases. So we are going to cover MongoDB so we can develop our own API. And then, of course, since we will know React, Node, Express, and Mongo, the full stack, we will combine them to create a final application. And then, of course, we will deploy to production. So this is a very long course, so take it slow. It's going to be a lot of information. So make some coffee and let the coding begin.